Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix, my friends. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on how little Nubbin's doing.
So a lot of you were actually super interested in my day in the life video without my prosthetic. I guess some people just didn't know that you can't always wear a prosthetic 24/7, and I don't, as you can see. Here, poor little Nubbin here has been through so freaking much lately. Oh my gosh. If you can see all those needle marks, those are from getting poked with a lidocaine or whatever solution. I don't really know what drugs in the needles, but he gave us a couple of them to take home, and my mom has had the pleasure of jamming needles into my leg lately. I wouldn't say she necessarily takes pleasure in it because she doesn't like to see me in pain either. I think it's hard on my family members when I'm pretty much just curled up in pain and can't do hardly anything, but hopefully those days are coming to an end. Even my showering situation looks a little bit different than it did back when I did my original 8 weeks after surgery day in the life video. So I have a clip here, and that's to keep the shower head down lower. I have this bar to help with getting in and out of the tub, and then I have the shower chair that I usually use, but since the stitches are right underneath this band-aid and I'm not supposed to get them wet yet, I get to take a bath sitting in the tub with my legs sticking out. Here I'm going to be working on a branding kit and going through a bunch of different documents for One-Footed Phoenix and try to get my brand to a point where it is bringing more viewers to the videos. You can call me weird all you want, but I really love listening to the sound of the birds. They are really beautiful. Birds. I have spent the majority of the day on this couch, just chilling with Nubbin, trying to keep that surgery place just away from anything that could bump it and make it hurt. I've been chilling in this same spot pretty much the entire day. I kind of just crashed and burned, and it was nope, done. The body has hit its limits. Most evenings, my boyfriend does come over and we get to hang out together. And honestly, that's probably one of my favorite parts of the day because we get to be together, but it's hard because I'm usually on pretty high doses of pain medications by that point, mostly because of the phantom pain right now. And then I have this nerve that was screaming for almost an entire week. That was not good.
Hey, just wanted to say real quick, if you've been enjoying my videos, to make sure you come and subscribe. If you'd like to subscribe, click the Phoenix button. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thanks for watching. Bye!